How to change Snapchat chat color. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. So make sure that you have logged into your account over here. After logging into your account, tap on the chat option over here at the bottom of the screen and then tap on any of the chat where you want to change the chat color. I'm selecting this profile. So all I have to do is just tap on their profile icon or their name over here. Now just tap on that. Here under our chat option or the segment, you can see the option of chat color. So tap on it and right now you can see it's in the red color. So you can select any of the other colors over here. I'm going to select on this one over here and then tap on save and tap on next. So as you can see that this is a premium version or the premium service. So since I do not have a premium service, I'll not be able to change the Snapchat chat color over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.